Salut tout le monde, c'est Official Code et aujourd'hui on va se trouver pour un gameplay. Donc je vais vous le mettre en musique, mais pour l'instant je vais vous poser le décor. Donc c'est sur Call of Duty Black Ops 2 en mode furtif on va dire. Puisque j'étais muni du couteau de combat, du tomahawk, j'avais pillard comme ça je peux avoir du tomahawk illimité. J'avais aussi comme atout si je me souviens, parce que là je les ai pas sous les yeux. Attendez, je vais voir ça tout de suite. J'avais comme atout. Alors, voilà, donc j'avais poids léger, détermination, pillard et main leste, comme je vous l'ai dit, conditions extrêmes, silence de mort, et puis le tomahawk. Hein. Donc j'ai fait cette partie vite fait, on va dire. À la base, je voulais pas jouer au couteau, mais je me suis dit, j'en ai marre un petit peu de l'arme, du sniper, tout ça, donc petite partie au couteau, c'est toujours assez fun. Et puis voilà, donc vous l'avez remarqué au début de la vidéo, donc la partie elle était déjà commencée. Donc c'est normal, au début de la vidéo, au début du gameplay, c'était pas très intéressant. Je faisais que de mourir et puis de tuer, voilà, donc pas de grand chose. Donc là, je vous ai mis le meilleur du gameplay. Donc voilà, donc il y a pas longtemps, j'ai fait une vidéo, c'était sur Red Dead Redemption, c'était un let's play. Je devais vous le mettre, je devais vous le uploader il y a au moins une semaine, mais il se trouve que j'ai eu un bug, donc l'upload, enfin, on va dire, le téléchargement de la vidéo, on va dire, quand je l'upload, bah, ça s'est arrêté à 89% et ça a bugué. Donc je vous en dis pas plus hein, pour le let's play, mais je vais essayer de le réuploader et de le mettre sur ma chaîne. Donc on verra bien, si ça marche pas, bah je laisserai, hein, donc je réessayerai de faire une vidéo. Et si ça marche, bah vous le verrez très prochainement sur ma chaîne. Donc les gars, je vous laisse donc bah à la prochaine. Et puis je vous laisse sur une petite musique. Allez, ciao.
Damn, Rico, you shot that nigga.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
I do better when it's crunch time. Niggas mad cause my money long like the lunch line. I'm here for now and forever, always at my best. Even under pressure, went for meat and Ponderosa. The Mr. Child dinners, girls never wanted to stay, but now I'm kicking out bitches. I'm the motherfucking illest. When you see me, salute me. Tell promoters in advance, it's 100 that'll book me. The world waiting on my shit to drop, and when it do, my shit gon' be the only thing to cop. Bitch, I beg your pardon, this ain't no chat, it's Aston Martin. Y'all motherfuckers don't get me started, I came from the bottom, now I'm in the top. It's so hot, from way up here, and I'm tired of coming up short. I'm going for album money, yeah. Wayne at the one, I'm running the two. I see Grizzy on the wing, but Nicky gon' shoot. I'm getting bored with this rap shit, it's gotten too easy. And these niggas do their thing, but they ain't like Bow Weezy. And I do it to the fullest. Keep a bad white bitch, yep, I'm talking Sandra Bullock. And I'm all over the radio, I'm topping every chart. Andy Warhol of rap, I'm a fucking work of art. I got these bitches gone crazy, they like, damn, Bow, you grown up. Now I'm begging women just to leave up off my tour bus. Smoking OG, you know what we smoke. Riding in Ferraris before I was old enough to vote. Underrated on the way, I'm just driving for perfection. And perfection's probably throwing like 10,000 in my section. Ain't I flexing? Not so big, I can barely fold it. And they know the flow hotter than Papa Bear porch. Fuck these niggas, fuck them haters. You know my motto, get that paper. You heard me? Yeah, go what ain't nobody fucking with me now. I'm on now, ballin' hard like King Griffey. When you make it to the top, they waiting on you to drop. Looking like we won the game, all these bottles that we pop. Bottles that we pop. When you make it to the top, they waiting on you to drop. Looking like we won the game, all these bottles that we pop.
A détruit le quartier général. Drone en approche. U-27 Dragonfire déployé. Drone de chasse allié déployé.
It's okay, I'm good. Let's go! Yeah, yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
Let it go away.
Yeah.
We won't come down until we hit the ground.
Yeah, pass out. Yeah, I'm in charge now. I'm a star and I brought my cars down. I live a very, very, very wild lifestyle. Heidi and Audrina, eat your heart out. I used to listen to you, don't wanna bring arms out. I've got so many clothes, I keep some in my aunt's house. Disturbing London, baby, we about to branch out. Soon I'll be the king like Prince Charles. Yeah, yeah, and there ain't nobody fresher. Semester to semester, raving with the freshers. 20 light bulbs around my table and my dresser. CLC compressor, just in case that don't impress her. Say hello to Dexter, say hello to Uncle Fester. Got them gazing at my necklace and my crazy sun protectors. G-Shocks, I got a crazy dumb collection. Haters, I can't hear get reception. Yeah, yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
Let it go away.
Yeah.
We won't come down until we hit the ground and
Pass out. Yeah, yeah. She was meant to last me 24 hours, right? Okay, good. Yeah, they say hello, they say hola, and they say bonjour. I never got to fly on a Concorde. I've been Southampton, but I've never been to Scunthorpe. I'm crazy with the kicks, call me John Claude. I'm about to be a bigger star than my mum for. Cause every day I got a groupie at my front door. Now I drive past the bus I used to run for. Where's my clap? Where's my encore? I walk alone, cause I was born alone. I chops her just for fun, I'll never ever call her phone. I leave her in the club, I'll never ever walk her home. D.O. the foundation, I'm the cornerstone. I'm pretty famous, I'm super known. And if your son doesn't, I bet your daughter knows. Check out my visual, check out my audio. Extraordinary, yo, hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
let it go away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and
Pass out. Look at me up in the cheeky man. Look at all the drama we started. Now I'm in here laying on my back, singing DJ, won't you give me one more track?
let it go away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and
Pass out.
let it go away. We won't come down until we hit the ground and
Pass out.
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
I am literally in the air right now, wrapping up a stewardess. First class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit as retro. Like the infrareds on my feet, baby, let's go. Sinatra, what they know me by, logic, what they call me. Gotta catch a flight, but the fans wanna stall me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MGM, rockin' MCM. Bobby Sacks on my arm, it's only 10 p.m. Now the Rat Pack with me going ham at the hotel. Name brand, everything, fuck a wholesale, no. I am not materialistic, I was broke my whole life, then no, I don't miss it. Last 7 years of my life was in the lab, working every day, giving it everything I had. Now that a brother is finally recognized, I will not let the limelight hypnotize. Everybody be sure, I'ma always want more. Does anybody make real shit anymore?
I'm the best.
Now, the grind never stops like I'm running from the cops. It's hard to stay humble when you're force-fed props, but I don't give a damn. I am just a man, I am not more important than any one of my fans. First name Bobby, so I'm all about the hundreds. Work so hard, everybody think I'm blunted. Gunning hard with the mask and Glock, and I'ma stay with extra clips till the casket drops. Finna blow in the next 3 years, tops. Talking worldwide, not just hip-hop. Rappers nowadays so flip-flop. Talking about you wanna work, motherfucker, kick rocks. I am on a come up, headed to the top. Reppin' MD, and never will it stop. Me and the crew, V's up, visionary, what it do? Step to the mic, lyricism, and so we go hard. Only on campus when I wanna study abroad. Guess that's why they wonder if I go there. All the groupie bitches wanna put their fingers through my hair. Can't fade the thirst, chill out, whoa there. Let me get it, let me bring it back. Haters talking shit, but I get richer when they doing that. Yes, I am pursuing that #1 album worldwide, and fuck whoever doubt 'em.
Logic.
Man, what the fuck?